In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files on Discord without Nitro. If you've ever tried sharing a large file on Discord, you've probably noticed that there's a file size limit for uploads. When a file exceeds that limit, Discord won't allow you to attach it directly. Fortunately, there's an easy workaround that lets you share larger files without needing a Nitro subscription. In this video, I'll show you how to do it using a file sharing website. To get started, open the Discord application on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the conversation or server where you want to send your file. Tap or click the plus icon used for attachments. Then choose the option to upload a file. Select the file you'd like to send. If the file is larger than Discord's upload limit, you'll receive a message indicating that it can't be uploaded. Instead of trying to compress the file or split it into smaller parts, you can use a file sharing service to generate a shareable link. Open your preferred web browser and search for WeTransfer. Open the official WeTransfer website from the search results. Once the page loads, locate the Add Files option on the left side of the screen and click it. Browse your device and select the large file you want to share. Wait while the file is added to the upload queue. After your file has been added, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the 3 horizontal dots to open additional options. Choose Create Link, then select Get a Link. Depending on your account or security settings, WeTransfer may ask you to verify your identity by sending a verification code to your registered email address. If that happens, retrieve the code, enter it into the verification field, and continue. Once your identity has been verified, proceed with the upload. After the upload finishes, you'll see a copy button next to the generated link. Click or tap this button to copy the sharing link to your clipboard. Now return to Discord and paste the copied link into the chat, direct message, or channel where you want to share the file. Send the message as you normally would. The recipient can simply open the link to access and save the file directly from the file sharing service. That's all there is to it. Using a file sharing link is a simple and effective way to send files that are too large for Discord's standard upload limit without needing a Nitro subscription. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,